Moved. Maybe not with that pass as Ramsdale comes after it, but 6 seasons they've gone without finishing in the top 4 they belong. Xhaka might be in here, just ran away from him there, and he can't keep it alive, but already making a break from midfield, Granit Xhaka. National captain, the Norwegian creator. That's for sure, battling with Evans, who's coming off second best there. Good header for Gabriel. Here's James Justin. Out on the ball there, and Leicester looking to punish them here with a surging run through the middle, and Ramsdale is there. What a break that had to finish. But Arsenal turning defence into attack. Jason again. Here from Leicester. Dewsbury Hall. Couldn't quite get that cross pass Party for the run, and the pinpoint pass towards Granit Xhaka, who already has made some midfield breaks. Saka chasing after that and winning the throw-in. Erdegaard across. Erdegaard.
Leicester want to avoid just a bit of a rash challenge there from
very busy 6-yard box, and Martinelli whips it in there and into the side netting. They're looking for a corner kick. Shody has the recovery. They worked it well here, Leicester. Ball to Justin, who's offside, but
he's in the box for the second one, and I think Justin probably would have got
to pin down. Looking to spread it, Erdegaard. White. Again. Good pressure though from Leicester. And he got the right side of Fofana, and a yellow card for Fofana because Martinelli was free kick earned by Martinelli, who's going to take the free kick as well, or leave it for Erdegaard. Play it short. Martinelli, Gabriel is there! And Gabriel, and they almost got in each other. Martinelli again, but somehow he's still battling for...
Real handful on that left-hand side.
Xhaka, it's all very tight for Arsenal, but that is absolutely brilliant! The Gunners' marquee marksman is off the mark. Gabriel Jesus. Leicester players' reactions to the way that ball went in, almost, what can we do about that?
From Arsenal's new number 9.
Maybe just a thumbs up for that man there, Edu. On his weaker foot here, flags up somehow. And goes the corner towards the near post, and up to the back post. Arsenal's new number 9 is settling in just fine. 2 for Gabriel Jesus. The ball is just drawn to him at the moment, and he's having no problem scoring. And he's still in behind. White just got a touch. And Jesus on a hat-trick, and he might take it. Saved by Ward, denying the Brazilian his big moment for now. Arsenal taking that corner quickly. What's happened? Noisy indeed. Almost found Jesus. Moment, and he's got it back. Jesus denied again. That hat-trick for the second time. Now Vardy chasing after this. Oh, he got there first, Vardy. Penalty to Leicester. A route back into the game. And Vardy, who hasn't had much to work on.
Right, that every centre-forward should do. He's lurishly. There's been very little time for the ball.
Erdegaard looking for Saka too much.
Make the wrong choice. I think Zinchenko's very good at when he offers it.
And they're going to get a free kick as well. A foul from Saliba. Feels like the first free kick he's given away for. What can Maddison produce here? Not the ball forward now. Vardy trying to steal it behind. Oh, that's so unfortunate for William Saliba. Trying to cut that ball out. An own goal from the young Frenchman. He's applauded by the home support because of how well he started for the club. And that both sides were looking dangerous. Produce a stronger second half this time round if they do. Jesus lurking, or spilt by Ward. A present for Arsenal. A present for Granit Xhaka. And their response to conceding is immediate. An error from the Leicester goalkeeper. Their new number one. And Arsenal, who would have been feeling a little bit shaky.
Very different.
And Arsenal on the attack again. Jesus goes down. Darren England not interested. On Jesus.
Certainly a leg dangled out by a mark.
Got away from Tielemans. Much from him. Pratt across. Now Zinchenko, plenty in the box. And they're looking bad, but that doesn't matter. Look at this. Going on! Flashes across goal. What a run. But still the move is onto his favoured left. Lovely reverse pass. Maddison squeezes it through. This game's not done yet. James Maddison, quiet first half, coming to life in the second half. 5 goals at the Emirates today. His injury layoff. See this one through, but it's in doubt again. And Leicester
Of their performance today, with the confidence for him to strike this with his left foot. Really is good contact. It's low, it's zipped across the turf, banging off the post. It's a brilliant strike from Martinelli. And
Gareth Bale, that would be special. He scored such a fantastic winning goal.
Volontario il tocco, dentro Lennon, fuori Beckham. Aaron Lennon alla 4ª presenza in nazionale, mentre intanto vittoria.
Se va a marchar del terreno de juego, minuto 28.
And put Juve in front. Is it ever in doubt? The man of the moment, yet again, with another special ice-cold moment that could take Juve against all odds into the quarter-finals.